Good morning, friends. It is a beautiful day again here in Huahine. And we've pretty much just been cleaning all morning, kind of that time of the week where we need to wipe down the ceilings, just kind of general cleaning, air out everything, wash the pillows, linens. Yeah. Same stuff everybody does, you know, life. But there is a very picturesque beach right over here that is calling our name, so that's what we're gonna do.
It's a beach time. Obviously it's no longer because it's raining.
It was like beautiful and sunny, and then just like
Bam! Rain. Had to rush back, close all the hatches because it was sunny. We left them all open. Not a good thing to do as a boater, but it's alright. I'm hungry. I closed. It's closed. Yeah. But I'm hungry anyway, so it's kind of like perfect timing.
Yeah, but you're always hungry.
I'm always hungry. Yeah. Anyway, it was a nice beach. It was lovely.
And then it ended. Aw. Putting the boards away.
Time to go. But we've been checking the wind. It's gonna be awesome wind. I mean, like perfect 15 knots from the back. Take us straight to Bora Bora. 55 nautical miles or so. It'll be like a dream sail. The only downside is we'll still be dreaming when we leave. I just made that up! You do it? It's not funny?
Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah.
we gotta leave at 4 in the morning. Damn it. We had a good one. Coming in. Not even a laugh. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Okay, you can turn.
Jason forgot to tell you because he was so busy making bad jokes that didn't make any sense.
I'm standing right here, man.
That we have to go back to Faring because that is the only pass. So we're gonna motor there to stage ourselves for in the morning. That's why we're leaving now. I've been thinking lately about all of these islands, and as we're hopping about, it's funny because we're moving a lot slower than, say, the average cruiser who comes through who doesn't have their long stay visa and only gets the 90 days. So we're moving insanely slow in comparison to that. So we're getting a lot of time here, but it still doesn't feel like a lot of time. And if you tried to spend like a month at each island, well, you're not gonna make it in a year. There's just too many. I mean, there's like 118 or something like that. And so, anyway, it feels like we're moving fast, but not necessarily too fast. Makes me wonder if a year is long enough. But you can't spend years at every single place you go or you'll never see it all. Not that you'll see it all anyway. Anyway, conundrum. I'm having I want to be everywhere all at once, first world problem kind of thing. Yeah, there you go. But it's amazingly beautiful. And just like that, we're back. pass is right there. So we'll probably call it an early night and then wake up super early. Clearly, by the amount of daylight, it is not 4 a.m. We're obviously on island time because we started thinking, why on earth would we get up at 4 a.m. if we don't have to? I'm not talking to you, Siri.
Shut up, Siri.
Why get up at 4 a.m. if we don't have to? Why not just get up whenever we want and go the 25 miles to the next island and then wait the next day and then go to Bora Bora?
Lazy.
Super lazy sailors. But it's what you do. We're on cruiser time.
We're on island time.
We're on island time, yeah. So getting lazy, I suppose. Very lazy.
Oh man, we gotta catch a fish. Come on. We gotta catch a fish. These birds are going crazy.
There's a lot of action going on over there. Makes you just want to be a fisherman today.
There's always something about moving that I guess just gets you excited, you know? It's 20 miles down the way, but it's gonna be totally different. The water's gonna be different, the scenery's gonna be different. And then on to Bora Bora, and in my life, I don't think I would have ever made it to Bora Bora any other way. The flights are too expensive. It's way out here. The hotels are too expensive. It's a place I'd always dreamed of in my mind, thinking it was unobtainable, and here we are, just 24 hours away from being there. And that's what I love about sailing, being able to travel to places that I never ever in my wildest dreams thought that we'd make it to. It's just amazing. I don't know. 2 years ago we didn't know how to sail. Now I'm in freaking Bora Bora. Well, I'm not in Bora Bora yet. Hold on, I should knock on some wood. We don't have any wood. So we're almost in Bora Bora. Stinking wind.
Man, every day we check the forecast, and every day it says 10 to 15 knots of wind. And every day it does not come true. We end up with like 3, 5, which is great. I mean, it's awesome for snorkeling and hanging out, but not great for sailing. So here we are, motoring along.
Should have bought a motorboat.
Should have bought a motorboat. Oh, like 3 and 4 knots of wind. Poor Jenna was just flapping around, sad, had to bring it in. Bought a sailboat, damn it. I'm supposed to get my wind for free.
That'd be the dream.
There's just such a nice breeze right here. It's like the air comes up from underneath. It's like air conditioning for your arse.
So romantic.
I know. It does feel really good though.
Says VHF 16 we have to call. Apparently there's an airport right here.
Oh, okay.
So we gotta wait. Raiatea Airport, Raiatea Airport, Raiatea Airport. This is sailing catamaran Curiosity, requesting permission to pass. Hailed, waited for half an hour, started losing our light, so we couldn't wait any longer. We just went. The 3 other boats have crossed through since, and I haven't heard a peep on the radio from port control, the airport, or any of the people requesting permission. So I'm guessing nobody does it, or maybe there's only certain hours. It's just not marked on the sign. But oh well, we did our due diligence. I called 4 times. I waited. No response.
You go anyway.
I'm out of it now, so. No planes hit us. So those say 20 meters, and our boat is 63-ish feet high. So technically we're like right on the edge of what the regulation zone is. So maybe they don't care about us. I don't know. Just guessing. We're almost to Anchorage. Back up.
Dug in, we're good.
Home sweet home. What do you think, Singa? Alright, let's kill the engine. That's nice.
Pants me. Go, I don't trust you anymore.
I won't do anything.
Yes, you will. Go. There's like a whole sea of stuff floating around.
I know, right? Just came here. We had a beer. It's okay. Oh yeah, it's exercise and drinking at the same time.
I'm burning my calories while consuming them.
Damn stuff. This is terrible.
Oh, it's getting gross.
Yep. Okay, we'll go take the paddleboard somewhere else.
Short-lived. Oh, it feels so weird. Can you see that down there? That's our anchor. I mean, like, directly underneath us as if we just dropped it, but nope.
We have 60 feet of chain now.
That is a first.
Never seen that before. That's how calm it is. And how clear it is.
Yeah. That's funny.
That's literally LOL, right?
Literally LOL.
LOL. Love out loud.
Bora Bora, baby.
I was wondering where you're going with that.
I didn't know. I was like, oh. Say something?
Raiatea. Taha. Bora Bora. That right there is marked on our chart as a fish farm. I guess that's one of their local fish farms.
Like, that's ridiculous.
Still have wind?
9 knots of apparent.
Here we go.
Hopefully our chips don't blow away.
Lunch!
Open face sandwich, avocado, tomato, bell peppers, spicy jalapenos for Jason, pickles, chips.
Yay! I should probably close the side thingy. Oh, that looks fantastic.
And just like that, we're back to the mainsail in Genoa. What a crazy day it's been. Just spinnaker, no mainsail in Genoa, no. Maybe the spinnaker again, no, definitely the mainsail in Genoa. I think we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 sail changes, at least. We're getting close. That's okay, we've been sailing more than motoring. But now we're back to motor sailing. See, it's just crazy.
Officially in Bora Bora.
I'm so wild.
No fish, but a good sail.
Yeah. Well, we got one fish.
Dinner? Dinner! No, aw, little guy.
Yep, he's just a
Little bonita, maybe.
Oh, he was a little tiny tuna.
Tiny tuna.
Tiny tuna. We let him go. He's gonna live to see another day. Wall is right. We made it, but I don't think we're going to be doing any exploring today. Because of the obvious. The rain. Still beautiful.
It's good to be here.
Best view is right there, though. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, make sure and do that now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.